Hi guys, good morning. Online students, can you please confirm I'm audible or not?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So in the previous session, I have discussed about your trainer and about your full stack Java program. Okay, our full stack Java about your trainer. Okay, first of all about your trainer. So first of all, your trainer name is Mr. Tirmalesh, and also coming to experience, IT experience. I have total 8+ years of experience, and also as of now, I have worked 4 companies. Okay, as of now, I have worked 4 companies, and also coming to my tech stack. Tech stack, nothing but what are the technologies I have used in my previous projects and current projects. Like I have used front end technologies, I have used back end technologies, and I have used some databases, and also I have used some cloud technologies, and also nowadays we are using GitHub tools also, like a GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini. These AI tools we are using. Okay, so and also currently I'm working as a my role, my work. I'm working as a tech lead in the current company. Okay, and coming to the our Java full stack program. So this Java full stack program I have divided into 4 modules. Okay, in the module 1 I am going to cover the backend technologies. Okay, so what are the backend technologies available in the market? So we are having core Java, Java 8, J2EE, Spring Boot, microservices. Okay, so from this also, nowadays every project development happening Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, so these are the basic technologies. If you learn this basic technology, then only learn the Spring Boot and microservices. Why? Because nowadays every project development happening in the Spring Boot microservices. 95 to 96 projects are developing based on the Spring Boot and microservices. Without knowing Spring Boot and microservices, you are not eligible for the as a Java developer. Okay, and also we are having databases different in the module 1 only. In the backend technologies only, I'm going to cover the databases also. Okay, so why I'm covering here? So if you want to learn the J2EE, if you want to learn the J2EE, in the J2EE we are having JDBC technologies. Okay, if you want to connect our Java application into the database. Okay, we are having many databases. Our Java application is available, right? Once we develop our Java application want to communicate with the database, then we are going to use the JDBC technologies. Okay, in the market we are having different kinds of databases. What is the use of databases? Do you know anyone? So for the permanent storage purpose, we are having databases. So initial days there is having some papers. In the books they are going to writing the data records, but data data in the books are not permanent, not secured. Okay, if you lost the book, we will lose entire data. That's why books are not recommended for the permanent storage. And also after some time, the files will be come into the picture. Okay, so like a text file, Excel file, like that we are having some files in the computers. So if you store the files into the, if you store the records into the file, so records also not permanent, guys. Okay, these files also not permanent, and also these files not secured. Someone can open. For example, I will give this laptop to the my relatives or my friends. Okay, if I give this laptop to my friends. Okay, if I give this laptop to my friends or my relatives, some other person will take my laptop. At the time, that person may be delete this file also, and that person may be insert the duplicate records also. Okay, and also this is not recommended. Storing the records into the file, that is also not recommended. That's why databases come into the picture. Okay, that's why databases are coming to the picture for the permanent storage. And also in the module 2 I'm going to cover, I'm going to cover front end technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, and React. So in the HTML, in the front end technologies also, we are having Angular and React currently using in the market. So if you want to learn this Angular and React now, first of all, you need to learn the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Then only you will perfect in the Angular and React. So if you want to learn directly, we are not able to learn, guys. Okay. If you want to learn Angular and React now, you are not eligible for the So in the front-end technologies, I'm going to cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay. So if you want to learn Angular and React, okay, if you want to learn Angular and React, first of all, you need to learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Why? Because the front-end technologies development happening based on the Angular and React. Nowadays, Angular and React having more demand. That's why we need to learn Angular and React. Otherwise, you are not eligible for the front-end developer. Okay, front-end development happening Angular and React. And also in the module 3, I'm going to cover the real-time projects and real-time tools, guys. Okay, real-time projects and real-time tools. Okay, so real-time, what is the real-time projects I'm going to cover? E-commerce project. Just learning subject is not enough here. After learning subject, I'm going to teach the real-time projects with 15 to 20 days of time. Okay, so if you learn project now, you can keep that project in your resume also. You can attend the interview. You can tell whenever giving the interview, as part of my training, I have learned this e-commerce project like a Flipkart, Amazon available, right? How the Flipkart, Amazon available. Similarly, though, like that one kind of application I am going to develop. You need to keep that project in your resume, then you can attend. Okay, that is advantages for you. Okay, if you go to the another institute, they are not going to teach the real-time projects and real-time tools. For the real-time projects and real-time tools, they are going to charge another money. Okay, they are going to purchase another thing. Okay, so you need to pay differently for the real-time projects and real-time tools. And also I'm going to cover real-time tools here. If you go to the company, every day we need to work on the real-time tools like a Jira. Okay, for the work kind. So once we go to the company, every day we are getting the work in the Jira only. And also if you go to the company, we are having GitHub. Okay, GitHub Copilot, GitLab, like that we are having many tools, but we can use the command same, but UI is different only. Okay, all are same purpose, just UI is different. I will cover one one GitHub here, so you can work on that. So first of all, what is GitHub? So if you go to the company, in the company, multiple developers available, right? So I'm going to draw some architecture here for the GitHub. So if you go to the company, multiple people's available, right? Multiple team members available. Okay, for example, in my team, we are having 4 members. Okay, in my team, we are having 4 members. One person is working from Hyderabad location. Another person is working from Chennai location. Okay, one person is working from Hyderabad location. Another person is working from Chennai location. One more person is working from, okay, one person is working from Hyderabad location. Second person is working from Chennai location. Third person is working from Mumbai location. And also one more person is working. Fourth person is working from on-site, like a USA location. Okay. So all the as of now, we are having 4 developers. Okay. In my team, we are having 4 members, like one person is working from Hyderabad location. So second person is working from Chennai location. Like a third person is working from Mumbai location. Okay, and fourth person is working from USA. Okay, so as of now, my team, we are having 4 members. We are working from different locations, 4 different locations. Okay, so for example, Hyderabad person is develop some functionality. Okay, Hyderabad person is develop login functionality. Okay, Hyderabad person is develop login. Whenever doing the login, at the time we can see login application, right? So that login functionality is developed by Hyderabad developer. Okay. Another developer is available, Chennai developer. The Chennai developer is developed by registration functionality. Registration functionality. And Mumbai person is available. That Mumbai person is developed like a forgot password functionality. Okay. So if you forgot the password at the time, we need to forget, right? Forgot password functionality developed Mumbai person. Okay. So and also we are having another person, USA person. That USA person is developed the security functionality. Okay. He is providing security for the application. Security functionality logic he written. Okay. So one person is the Hyderabad person developed login functionality, Chennai person is developed registration functionality, Mumbai person developed forgot password functionality, and USA person is developed security functionality. So they are going to develop different functionalities here. Okay. So once they develop now, how they are going to keep the code? They are having some code, right? Java code, where that person is going to keep their code. Okay. So they're going to share in the WhatsApp all their codes? Is there going to share any location? So here social media sites not allowing here, guys. In the company laptops, they are providing full security. We are not able to open the social media sites. We are not able to open the Facebook. We are not able to open the Insta. We are not able to open the WhatsApp also. That's why they given some mediator. Okay. They given some mediator. All the developers code integrate at one place. Okay. All the developers code is integrating one particular place, that is called as a GitHub here. GitHub. Okay. GitHub. Companies are providing the GitHub as a software for the all the developers code integration. Okay. So they can easily integrate at the certain place. This is the place they are going to integrate. Okay. So Hyderabad developer is going to integrate the code into the GitHub. Okay. And also this person, Chennai person, is going to integrate their code into the GitHub. Okay. And also third person also going to integrate their code into the GitHub. Okay. Like this, as of now, we are having 4 members, but in the companies we are having 10 members, 20 members, 30 members also available. Based on the project requirement, they are going to hire the peoples and they recruit the peoples. Okay. Like this code integration happening in the GitHub. Okay. Instead of GitHub, we can use the Git bash, like a GitHub and GitLab available. Okay. GitHub available, Git bucket available, GitLab available. Okay. So all the tools purpose is same. Okay. All the tool purpose is same, but user interface is different. Okay. So like this, in the companies, code integration happening at particular place. So and also if you want, so for every developer need one GitHub. So currently you are learning, right? All the peoples are learning currently. So I'm teaching every day. Those after teaching is completed, you need to write some code here. After writing the code, you need to push your code in the GitHub. Okay, I will show you how to create the account in the future. So when I'm learning now, at the time only I have used GitHub here. Okay, so I'm opening my GitHub. I'm opening my GitHub here. So how I integrated all the like my code here. See here. So many things I have practiced previously. Okay, many things I have prepared previously. All the things I pushed in the GitHub. Okay, our personal use we can use, and also company purpose also we can use this GitHub Copilot. GitHub. Okay. Okay. Why? Because if you lost my laptop, okay, if I lost my laptop, the all the code is available in the GitHub. Just we need a credentials for the login. So it is providing unlimited storage. You can store any amount of storage here. Okay. And also it is available some free trial version, and also it is available commercial version also. So if you want advanced feature now, you need to purchase the commercial version. Okay, like this, GitHub is available in the companies. If you want, personally we can use. If you want, so in the companies they are going to use the commercial version. They are going to pay the money for the GitHub.